Hi, I'm Terry from Doormate. We're a little company based in Cardiff. We manufacture barn door hardware and sliding barn doors. I'm an eco-warrior, I suppose. I'm an old punk rocker and, you know, believe in the being good to the environment and the planet. That was partly what I suppose what drove me with the reclaimed timber and using it for doors and stuff. We're a family business, so we got my son Stefan, my brother Frankie, and every single job we do is bespoke. You can buy cheaper, you can buy on Amazon, you can buy on eBay, but what you're going to get is a guy picking up a box who knows nothing about doors, picking up a box off the shelf and putting it in for the delivery company. They don't care if you've got skirting boards or if you've got solid walls, plasterboard walls. You're having one size spacer, you're having it pre-drilled whether you need it or not. We give you all these options. Hello? Don't feel embarrassed to ring or shy to ring. Give me a ring. I'll walk you through what you need to get. You know, let's get it right for you. That's our motto is let's get it right first time. And if there's a couple more emails or a couple more chats, it's worth it. You know, we're a company that cares about our product and care that we get it right.